Greetings. Hey, it's Susie Q. We're working with the domains of concerns. It's a life assessment. It's related to ontological studies. All right, so right now, before we get into this conversation, I'm going to just let you know that I'm playing 528 Hertz. It's regarding DNA repair and positivity generation. And so we're going to get started. So this will be the second piece with the ontological studies. And we're going to clarify which of the three domains would be best for you at this time. Sometimes you've got too many things on your desk, got too many things you got to think about, too many chores that you have to do. But if you could just do three top burners with some of those domains of concerns, make a choice on which one. And so for myself, when I'm working with the domains of concerns, I'm really focusing on the top one right now. And this one is about the body. When we look at with the body, it's our vehicle, right? We came here from source, we're going to leave and we'll go back to source again. So for me, whenever I'm working with any of these domains of concerns with ontological studies, it's always about my body. And so we're going to talk about the body right now. And again, this is the epitome of a triad. So the top one is the body. It's about body appearance, energy, sleep, and adequate rest, level of fitness, amount of exercise, and nutrition. And I absolutely do that. I absolutely do that. So body is really, really important. I want to be able to move around and have a good time and live a long time, right? So the next piece, the next domain of concern is education. And so later this year, I'll be teaching at a school. It's called Rise Learning for Life. And I'm real excited to do that. So some of the domains of concerns with education, I'm just going to let you know what they are. It's about taking action on new possibilities, effective action, addressing concerns, formal and informal learning. So I'm super excited to be teaching there. It'll be a 2 hours once a week up on the west side. And so the third one is the spirituality. So this is the domain of spirituality. And I chose that because it was really in alignment with who I am. And so we're working with spirituality, physical world, religions, beliefs, values, experiencing God, or the universe. And so once we kind of define three top burners, with some of these domains of concerns, you could start creating what we call a declaration. A declaration could be maybe a week or two, or it could be a whole year. It depends on what you're really focusing on. So I'm going to give you a description of what my declaration is. So it's my declaration. My body, education, and spirituality intertwines to form a holistic tapestry of personal growth. Now, so what I did with these domains of concerns is I started to look at the three top burners: body, education, and spirituality, and then I created a declaration. And so we want to add those words and those phrases, and it doesn't have to be phrases, but just the words. Body's there, education's there, and spirituality is there. This is a great technique for you to have more clarity, more understanding, and really going into effective action in a solid and joyous way. So I think that's it for now. We'll see you soon, and namaste.